Dear friends, have a good day. Here in this video today we are going to look at statistical analysis using Microsoft Excel. Here in this video we are going to look at the topic what is data analysis, why do we need data analysis, what are all the data analysis tools available in the market. These are all the topics we are going to look at in this tutorial. What is data analysis? Data analysis is defined as a process of cleaning, transforming and modeling data to discover useful information for business decision making. Business decision making is important to start a business. Whenever you start a business decision making is an important thing. Before going to start a business, you must ask yourself that which business is going to give you more profit. If the suitable business is found, then we have to look at its daily activities and collect some needed numeric data from its daily activities. Then analyze the numeric data to discover useful information about the business and which will help you to take decision about whether we can start a business or not. This process of analyzing the numeric data is called data analysis. The purpose of data analysis is to extract useful information from data and taking the decision based upon the analysis what we have done. A simple example of data analysis is whenever we take any decision in our day-to-day life is by thinking about what had happened in the last time or what will happen in the future by choosing that particular decision. Therefore, to take any decision for our future, it is mandatory to recall our past experience. That means analyze our past data to take decision about our future. Now, the same thing analyst does for business purpose. That is called data analysis. Then, why do we need data analysis? To grow your business, even to grow in your life, sometimes all you need to do is analysis. Analysis is necessary in every field. For example, if higher secondary result is published, immediately we are asking who is the state first and what is the highest total marks and what is boys percentage and what is girls percentage and which district got highest pass percentage. So this is the question we are asking immediately the higher secondary results are published. Then how do you answer these questions? Without analyzing the results data, we cannot find answer for these questions. That is why we need data analysis. Similarly, if we want to buy a car, we have to analyze the data regarding car models, prices, sales, available features, mileage, and customers' feedback. So in the same way, if you want to grow your business, it is mandatory to analyze the data regarding your business activity. If your business is not growing, then you have to look back and acknowledge your mistakes and make a plan again without repeating those mistakes. Suppose if your business is growing, then you have to look forward to making the business to grow more. All you need to do is analyze your business data and business process. That is why we need data analysis. Then what are all the type of data analysis? There are several types of data analysis techniques that exist based on the business and technology. However, the major data analysis methods are text analysis, statistical analysis, diagnostic analysis, predictive analysis, prospective analysis. These are all the major data analysis methods. We are going to look at one by one. First off, what is text analysis? It is used to transform raw data into business information. First off, the data regarding business is collected and then the data will be transformed as a useful business information. For example, the sales and the profit for various months or years of a particular business is collected first, and then which month or year the sales and profits have been increased or analyzed and the results are given as text information. Some business intelligence tools are available in the market to take strategic business decisions. And then the statistical analysis. Statistical analysis shows what happened by using past data in the form of dashboards. Statistical analysis includes collection, analysis, interpretation, presentation, and modeling of data. It analyzes a set of data or a sample of data. In statistical analysis, the past data are analyzed to know what had happened in the business for the past 5 or 10 years, and we can predict what will happen in the future. This analysis helps you to take decision about your business. There are two categories of this type of analysis. One is descriptive analysis, another one is inferential analysis. What is descriptive analysis and inferential analysis? Descriptive analysis gives you the quantitative description of the collected data. For example, in a population analysis, it tells you how far the population has increased during the period of 10 years. Similarly, how far the mobile phone users have increased during a certain period of time. So this type of analysis is called descriptive analysis. Whereas the inferential analysis helps you to take decision from the statistical analysis. That is called inferential analysis, whether we will start a business or not, or whether a particular drug is useful or not. These type of analysis are called inferential analysis. And then diagnostic analysis. Diagnostic analysis shows why did it happen by finding the cause from the insight found in statistical analysis. Diagnostic analysis diagnoses the cause for the fluctuations of data. Why the fluctuation of data occurs? So that type of analysis is called diagnostic analysis. For example, the sales of cold drinks and ice creams would have decreased during the month of November to January, and the sales have been increased during the month of April to June. Why does it happen? You know why it has happened? Because they are seasonal business. In the winter season, the consumption of cold drinks and ice creams will be very low. So automatically the sales will decrease. In contrast, during the summer, their sales will automatically increase. This type of analysis is called diagnostic analysis. This analysis is useful to identify behavior pattern of data. If a new problem arrives in your business process, then you can look into this analysis to find a similar pattern of that problem, and then you will find the solution to that particular problem. And it may have chances to use similar prescription for the new problems. Next thing is predictive analysis. What is predictive analysis? Predictive analysis shows what is likely to happen by using previous data. For example, if last year you bought 2 dresses based on your savings, and if your salary is increasing double in current year, then you can buy 4 dresses because of your salary has been increased. But of course, you think about other circumstances. If the prices of clothes are increased, then you may change your mind to invest your additional income in a fixed deposit, or instead of dresses, you may want to buy a new car or house and something like that. So this analysis makes predictions about future outcomes based on current or past data. Forecasting is just an estimate. So this type of analysis is called a predictive analysis. The final one is prescriptive analysis. Prescriptive analysis combines the insight from all previous analysis to determine which action to take in current problems or decision. If we take decision based on the problems and the current situation compared with the previous analysis, then the analysis is called prescriptive analysis. Most data-driven companies are utilizing prescriptive analysis because predictive and descriptive analysis are not enough to improve the data performance. So that is why most of the data-driven company uses the prescriptive analysis for their future prediction or to take a decision. Based on current situations and problems, they analyze the data and make decisions. And then statistical data analysis. In the statistical data analysis, here we are going to look at in the forthcoming classes. The following topics we are going to cover: diagrams and graphs, measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion, statistical inferences. Thank you.